Today I find this Rubik's Cube in Walmart and I bought it. Let's see how it functions. Found these in Walmart and I bought it. There is 2 left and I bought both of them. And there it says you can set the world record, that is 3.47 seconds. Let's see if it's true or lie. Let's open it like this. There we go. Wow, it has a Rubik standard. Why it's not good? Ow! There, I got it. And it has a Rubik standard too. That's pretty cool. Okay, let's have a try. What? It's completely live. If you sit up it and put a little bit of loop on it, it could be a good Rubik's Cube. I think you can set under 120 seconds. I think if you sit up it and put some loop on it, you can do under 20 seconds in this way. It's actually good. It just needs a little bit loop. If you put a little bit loop, it will be good. Let's get inside. Almost beginner. It has no strain. Let's see. And now we're gonna place it. It's actually good. If you sit up it and put a little bit of lube on it, unbox the second one. I hope this one's not a crack. And it's so hard to open. I don't know why all of these things is so it's so hard to open. Actually, this one is the Rubik's Cube and this is the standard. And first it will be a little bit hard to turn, but when you turn it a little bit, it will be better. Actually, it's good really too for beginner. Let's have a solving with this one. And the different thing in this is the logo of it is in the blue center, and white center. That makes me feel different. Because all the Rubik's Cube that I have, the logo of it is in the white center. It's actually good. Okay. Bye, subscribe for more.